Good afternoon all of you. Today differentiation of implicit functions. So first I will explain you what are implicit functions. So before that, first definition is explicit. So what is the definition? Functions in which the value of y can be easily expressed in terms of x are called explicit function. For example, if I write x minus y equal to sine x. So what is the value of y from here? X minus sine x. That means the value of y can be easily expressed in terms of x. So these type of functions are called explicit. Now what are implicit functions? Reverse definition: functions in which the value of y cannot be easily expressed in terms of x. For example, if I take this function x minus y equal to sine xy. Now from here you cannot write the value of y entirely in terms of x because here y is coming in the angle also. So you cannot remove this y from the angle, it is intact. ये y बाहर नहीं आएगा because it is in the angle. So you cannot write the value of y easily entirely in terms of x. So these type of functions are called implicit. Now today next exercise we'll study about how to differentiate the implicit functions. So exercise 5.3 question number 1. These are both type of functions will be there, explicit also as well as implicit. So 2x plus 3y equal to sin x, we have to find dy by dx. So on differentiating this equation, derivative of 2x will be 2, 3 as it is, y will be dy by dx, sin x will be cos x. So what is the value of dy by dx? Cos x minus 2 upon 3. Then second question is 2x plus 3y equal to sin y. Derivative of 2x will be 2, 3y will be 3 dy by dx. Now sin y, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, so it will be cos y, and then we will differentiate y also, that is dy by dx. Now rearranging the terms of dy by dx, it will be 3 minus cos y. If I take dy by dx common, and this 2 will come this side, so it will become minus 2. So what is the value of dy by dx? Minus 2 upon 3 minus cos y. Then third is ax plus by square equal to cos y. So differentiation of ax is a, b as it is, y square will be 2y dy by dx, cos y will be minus sin y dy by dx. Now taking dy by dx common, so it will be 2by plus sin y, and this will be minus a. So answer is dy by dx equal to minus a upon 2by plus sin y. Then fourth is xy plus y square equal to 10x plus y. Now in xy we'll apply the product rule. X as it is, differentiation of y dy by dx, plus y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Y square will be 2y dy by dx, 10x will be sec square x, y will be dy by dx. So we have three terms of dy by dx, 1, 2, 3. So taking dy by dx common, so it will be x plus 2y, and this will become minus 1. And this is sec square x minus y. So answer is sec square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. Then moving on to question number 5, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100. X square it will be 2x. Here we'll apply the product rule. X as it is, differentiation of y dy by dx, plus y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. Then y square differentiation will be 2y dy by dx, 100 will be 0 because it is a constant term. Taking dy by dx common, it will be x plus 2y, and shifting these two terms on RHS. So it will be minus times of 2x plus y. So what is dy by dx? Minus times 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. Similarly, you'll do the question number 6 yourself.